Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
So, children, we have completed till question number 20. Okay. Can you show me the notes, children? Page number, I told you that day 4 word problems. I have sent the notes 17 to 20.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. I'll
17
show.
to 20 that word problems. Completed. I can see. Okay. Siddhi, El Sandra, I can see.
Ma'am,
Kirtana, Niranjan. Yes.
Felix completed.
Ah?
Felix completed.
Yes, yes. Felix completed.
Ma'am,
And
completed.
Aditi, yes, I can see. Navneet.
Completed.
Okay, okay, very good. So if anyone forgot to do, okay, if anyone forgot to complete, please write it today itself and send me the notes. Now I can see most of them, most of you people have completed. Very good. And if anyone forgot, today itself complete and show me. Okay. So children, we are going to do now next question. That is question number 21. Okay. Now, Celine, please unmute and read question number 20. No,
Multiply
21. 21.
the smallest four-digit number and the largest one-digit number.
Okay. Multiply the smallest four-digit number. Then which is the smallest four-digit number?
1,000.
1000. So, we have to multiply 1000 with the largest one digit. Which is the largest one-digit number?
9.
9. Okay, children. So that is very easy. 1000 into 9. By mental multiplication, we can write that is 9 into 1 is 9. Then we have to add how many zeros? 3 zeros. So what's the answer, Aditi? 1000 into 9.
9,000.
9,000. So children, because this is a word problem, we have to write the smallest four-digit number, largest four-digit numbers. Can we do together, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take it. All the children, please take the page number. 1 minute. Page number 43, question number 21. We can write together now. Okay. So page number 43, question number 21. Multiply the smallest four-digit number. Which is the smallest four-digit number you have to write first. So question number 21. Felix, unmute and tell me, can you see the board clearly? Felix?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 21, page 43. We have to multiply the smallest four-digit number. Which is the smallest four-digit number? You have to write the smallest four-digit number. The smallest four-digit number equal to. Write together. No need to keep it. We have only 2 more questions to complete. The smallest four-digit number. 1000. Now we have to multiply this number with the largest one-digit number. So which is the largest one-digit number? That is 9. The largest. Please mute yourself. The largest one-digit number. That is equal to 9. Now we have to write product of 1000 and 9. Therefore we are finding, so the product thousand and 9. Children, you know that is 9,000. If you want to do this calculation, you can do on the side. So, 1000 multiplied by 9. 9 into 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 9 into 1. So the answer is 90,000. Only 3 steps you have to write. We have to multiply the smallest 4-digit number. So you have to write first the smallest 4-digit number is equal to 1000. Now the largest 1-digit number, that is equal to 9. So the product of 1000 and 9 is equal to 9,000. 1000 into 9. Children completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you, show me. Is there anyone not completed? You can raise your hand. Yes, Risa, write it fast. Very easy one. Only 3 steps. What happened here? Okay, children, 1 minute. Okay, write it fast. The smallest 4-digit number, the largest 1-digit number. So the product of 1009 is 9,000. The question, if you read now, it will is easy. Without looking at the board, you can write everything. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Largest 1-digit number is 9. And the product is 9,000. Okay. So, Nainika, can you read the next question number 22? Question number 22.
Okay, ma'am. What is the product of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number?
So you have to multiply. The product means we have to multiply the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. So, Srihari, tell me which is the largest 3-digit number?
999.
Okay, we have 999. Largest 3-digit number means you have to write 9 3 times. That is 999. And which is the smallest 3-digit number?
100.
100. So you have to write 999. Then how many more zeros? If you are multiplying with 100 means you have to add 2 zeros. So you got the answer, no? We have, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So it is 99,900 you will get. So you have to write, which is the first step you have to write, Siddhi? Which is the first step we have to write? Look at the question and tell me which is the first step. Largest 3-digit number equal to. Okay, children, you can do alone. The largest 3-digit number is equal to 999. Which is the second step? Smallest 3-digit number is equal to 100. And the last step, that is product of 999 and 100. Okay, children, do it. Okay, the next question number 22. The largest 3-digit number. Nine hundred and 999. The smallest 3-digit number. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Now, the product of these two numbers we have to find. The product of 999 and 100. Children, without multiplying, we can find out here. We have 999 here multiplied with 1. That is same number. Now, how many more zeros are there? 2 more zeros. So, we can write like this. Any number multiplied like the power, like multiples of 10, you have to see the number of zeros, then add that zeros. If it is multiplied with 10, you have to add 1 0. If it is multiplied with 100, you have to add 2 0. Okay, children, completed? Yes. Okay, children, finished? Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
completed that 5.1 multiplication.
ma'am.
So if any questions is incomplete, you can do. Okay. Now you can check your WhatsApp, the notes, and today itself complete everything regarding 5.1. Okay, children.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So I am not able to hear. Louder.
Ma'am,
All
today
others,
what
please mute.
question we did that only no you send in WhatsApp.
Which one?
Today, 2 questions we did.
Ah.
That only no you will send in the WhatsApp.
No, I am asking before till question number 20, everything is completed for you?
Before 20, yes.
Yes. Some children, those not speaking to them.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Risa, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. We will do the 5.2.
Wait, Sarah. Yes, Risa, unmute and speak. I'm not able to understand what you are speaking.
In question number 22, the answer should be 999, right?
You are multiplying with 100, not with 1. Check that question. You are multiplying with 999 and 100. If you are multiplying with 999 into 1, only the same number. If you are multiplying with 100 means what? You have to add 2 more zeros. Yes, Risa? Okay? Or if you have any doubt, you can multiply and find out here. 999 multiplied by 100. So first you have to place everything 0 because here 0 into 9, 0 into 9, 0 into 9. Again, second row also we will do like that. Okay. Then in the last row only you will start multiplying with 1. So when you add, here you will start with 2 0, 1 into 9, again 1 into 9, 1 into 9. So you have 9, 9 and you have to add 2 more zeros. That is the easy method I told you. You can just place 2 zeros because you are multiplying with 100. If you are multiplying with 1, you will get the same number. Okay, children. Now all of you please take 5.3 workbook 5.3. I told you now 5.2 lattice multiplication using lattice algorithm, that is deleted. So we are going to take 5.3. All of you, that is Mendel multiplication. You are going to do now this as a test of multiplication table. Do alone. I will ask one by one now. You have to just multiply find the product of 5 and 5. Find the product of 9 and 5. Find the product of 4 and 8. You are doing this as a multiplication table test. We are going to do 1 to 10 questions. After that, we'll ask that answers now. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Do it now. Finish, Riza? 5.3. 5.3. Page number. What is the page number? Page number 49. Can you show me the page, children? Page number 49. All of you, page number 49. Yes, 5.3. We are doing Mendel multiplication techniques. This is just, yes, children, you can do only multiplication table. Okay. So I will ask one by one now. Question number 1. Glenn. Children, when they are saying the answers, you can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Yes, Glenn. Read question number 1 and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. The product of 5 and 5 is 25.
25. So option D. Very good. Niranjan, next second question.
The product of 9 and 5 is 45.
45. Very good. So option is C. Okay. Finally, I will ask who got all answers correct. Okay. Nainiga. Question number 3.
The product of 4 and 8, 32.
32. Option B. Very good. Arpita. Next question. Question number 4.
The product of 3 and 3 is 9.
3 and 3. What is 3 and 3?
9.
9. Option A. Very good. Izan. Next question. Question number 5.
The product of 4 and 10 is 40.
40. Option A. Yes. Risa. Next question. Question number 6. Risa.
Of 10 and 10 is 100.
100. 10 and 10. That is 100. Option C. Aditi. Next question. Question number 7.
The product of 2 and 9 is 18.
18. Product of 2 and 9. That is 18. That you have to write. Next question. Juwan. Question number 8. Yes, unmute. Question number 8.
Question number 8. Product of 7 into 9 is
7 and 9. Yes.
7 and 9 is 63.
Very good. 63. Yes, Adidev. Question number 9. The product of...
Ma'am,
Question number 9.
the product of 8 and 6 equals
8 into 6. What is 8 into 6?
8 into 6.
Say louder. 8 into 6? Yes, Ridvi. What is 8 into 6? Yes, only Maya. 8 into 6.
48.
48. Yes, Adidev. What is 8 into 6? 48. 48. Okay. All of you finish. Write it. Now, question number 10. Question number 10. Navneet.
Ma'am,
Question
find
number
the
10.
product of 7 and 6. 42.
7 and 6. 42. Very good. Ashwal, next question. Question number 11. Multiply
fif- 55.
What is the question? Read the question first.
8 into 7.
8 into 7. What is 8 into 7?
55.
56. 8 into 7 is 56. Okay. Write it fast. Now, next question is 14 and 3. Children, question number 12. Question number 12, you have to multiply and find out. You have to multiply and find out. So the next question is question number 12. You have to multiply because 14 and 14 multiplied by 3. Find out, multiply and tell me. Dia, if you finish, tell me the answer.
41.
41. 4 threes are 12. 1 is carry over. 3 into 1?
3.
3. 3 plus 1?
4.
4. So what's the answer?
42.
42. Children, check whether you got answer. We are doing now page number 50. Page number 50. This is question number 12. Question number 13. Children, you can do it now. What is that? Multiply 3 and 4. So you have to write, that is question number 3 into 4. Write it out. I will ask you. 3 into 4 and question number B, you have to write like this. Because this is short answers, so you can write 5 into 9. Question number 13, we are doing now. Okay, Felix, unmute and tell me. 3 into 4, question number 13A. 3 into 4.
3 into 4, 12.
12. Very good. Srihari, then B answer 5 into 9. 5 into 9.
5, 9. Yeah, ma'am. 5 into 9, 45.
45. Yes. Okay, so question number 13 we finished. 14. Children, you can write the step like this and find out. 14A, 7 into 3. 14B, 9 into 9. Okay, Ryan, unmute and say the answers. Ryan. 7 into 3?
21.
21. Okay, Niranjan, 9 into 9?
81.
81. Children, finish 15 and 16. Like this, write 13 and 14, how we have written. Like small step, means write the number. 21 into 4 is equal to 15 and 16. 15, A, B, C, D. We have 4 questions and 16 also 4 questions. Complete it now.
Ma'am, I completed it.
Yes, completed. Very good. Till which question you completed?
16.
16. Very good. Or children, you can do that as homework, 15 and 16. Yes? 15 and 16, will you do as homework? Now we do question number 17.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
What happened, Risa? This is only like 51 into 1. Within 1 second we can make only 2 digit and 1 digit.
I didn't do 14 question.
14. Why? If you know the tables, you can do everything faster. This is 14. Very easy. 7 into 3 is 21. 9 into 9 is 81. Okay, children, complete till 16. Okay.
20,
From 17, we can do next class.
20 also is 2.
Okay. Now I will write here 15.
0 and 2 is
15, we have A, B, C, and D.
about 8 14 of 8
A is 21 into 4. 21 into 4. Small numbers we have here. So we will multiply 21 into 4. Aditi, did you get the answer of question number A? 21 into 4?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
84.
84. Very easy, children. Here 4 into 1, 4. 4 twos are 8. So the answer is 84. And next question is 51 into 1. That is very easy one. Yes, Siddhi, what is 51 into 1? Unmute and speak. Yes, unmute.
Can I say B?
Krishnananda, please unmute and speak 1 minute. Yes, Siddhi. Yes, okay now.
51.
51. Tell me the property we learned for this. Any number multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. Which property? Do you remember?
Identity property.
Identity property. Very good. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. You same identity. That is identity property. Very good. Now, next question is 45 into 2. Krishnananda, you got the answer of 45 into 2? Krishnananda, what's the answer?
50.
Huh?
50.
45 multiplied by 2. 5 twos are
10.
10. Carryover is 1. 4 into 2?
4 into 8.
8 plus 1? 9. 90. So the answer is here 90. Children, like this, if you don't know these multiplication tables, they are big numbers. So you have to multiply like this vertical multiplication. Then you will get the answer. Now question number D. 17 into 5. All of you do alone. Rudra, did you get this answer? Question number D. Rudra,
Yes, ma'am.
what's the answer?
85.
85. Very good. 85. 17 into 5. Children, if you have doubt, we can do here. (17 into 5). 5 into 7, 35. Check whether you got this answer. 5 into 1, 5 plus 3 is 8. Correct answer, 85. Okay, children, so we have completed now till 15 questions. You can do 16 only. Only one 16 question as homework. Okay, children. Is there any doubt? This is very easy one. 2 digit with 1 digit. Yes?
Ma'am, I did
Ma'am,
16
16
question.
I do earlier.
Earlier. Very good, very good. Okay.
Now only I did.
Okay, so children, some children have completed very good, but if anybody not finished, they can do after this class as it as a homework. Okay, children, and study practice these multiplication tables daily. Next chapter we will learn, that is division. And if you don't know multiplication tables, no, it will be difficult for you. Okay, children, bye. Thank you.
Bye.